Taki. Let's learn together.
Hey, look up at the sky. Do you see that little cloud? She is so sleepy today. No more rain, just floating away. High in the sky, a little gray cloud. She doesn't wanna rumble, she doesn't wanna be loud. Her heavy little drops are turning into wool. She is a fluffy pillow, so soft and beautiful. Float away, sleep away, heavy little cloud. Drift across the pastel sky, far above the crowd. No more stormy rain today. Time to close your eyes, rest your head upon the moon, where the dream world lies. She tries to make a thunder, but a yawn comes out instead. She wraps herself in starlight, like a blanket for her head. The little stars are blinking, changing purple, blue, and pink. And every little heavy drop is falling fast asleep, I think.